Hi Glow students, now I'm going to show you how to apply tape hair extensions to the side of your client's forehead. So again, you're going to be working in the width of ear to ear, and you can work towards the front of the hair. And we're going to apply in the same brick pattern motion. We're going to do 1, 1, 2. Generally that's all you would do for the sides, but if your clients have a long fringe, you can go up into the fringe and also add up there. So the first one we're going to do is the sides. Nice even part line under there, straight across, not to cause your client discomfort. It's probably a bit thick, so we'll just go into that again, halve it again. Grabbing your extension, placing underneath, patting it on. Grabbing your top layer, sandwich together. Right, there's the first one in the side. Heat seal it. 1, 2, 3. If this is too hot for you, grab your pliers and force it together. You're just reinforcing that glue so it holds nice and strong. So that's your first sandwich in. Sandwiches and bricks, you'd probably be getting confused by now, wouldn't you? Okay, next layer, 1 to 3 centimeters above. Nice straight line. Okay, now for this one, you're doing this area, so you've done 1 there, so you're going to do 1, 2. Keep it away from the forehead because you don't want to see a tape extension sticking out front, so you can place these a bit closer together. Keep that nice and straight underneath there. Grab your tape, because these are all sticking together. Flatten the hair on top of it. And again. Then we'll heat seal that ready to go in. Next one, you want to leave a nice gap in between. So when she's putting her hair up, it doesn't all grab and flex. So you need a nice bit of hair in between so it doesn't all grab together and pull together when she puts it up. And see how we've got that nice bit at the front, so it covers the extension. Placing the hair down. Always try and point the hair down when you're installing, because you don't want to install it on an angle, because then it will wedge up between the client's hair. Place together. And there's your next one in. So heat seal them, and you're ready to go. You can go all the way, so you can go 1 to 3 centimeters above again and put 1 more in, probably there. Place another one there. And that's all I'd probably do on this client's hair, because you don't want them to be too visible up here. You can also go in, this client's got a long fringe, so you can go in. Just let me grab the hair. And place it in here at an angle, so it creates that nice volume around the front. As long as our extensions are well hidden, you will be okay. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please watch the next one, blending hair extensions.